Jackfruit is a delicious and nutritious fruit, but growing jackfruit trees can be tricky. Grafting is a clever way to grow strong and healthy jackfruit trees. We can graft a jackfruit bud onto a banana tree. Why banana? Banana trees are strong and grow quickly. This helps the jackfruit bud to thrive. This grafting method is like magic. It's easy to do and brings amazing results. Get ready to enjoy fresh, homegrown jackfruit. Let's begin our grafting journey. Before we start, let's gather our tools. We'll need a few simple things. A healthy jackfruit bud. This is a small shoot from a mature jackfruit tree. A young banana tree. Choose one that is around 3 months old. A sharp knife or grafting tool. This will help us make clean cuts. Coconut shell mix. This will be the perfect first home for our grafted plant. String or grafting tape to secure the graft. Having the right tools ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that we have everything, let's move on to the next step. The jackfruit bud is the star of our grafting project. Choose a bud from a healthy and mature jackfruit tree. Look for a bud that is plump and green. It should also be around 2 to 3 centimeters long. A healthy bud means a healthy jackfruit tree. So take your time and select the best bud you can find. Now let's prepare our banana tree. Choose a young banana tree that is about 3 months old. Cut off the top portion of the banana tree, leaving about 15 to 20 centimeters from the ground. Make a vertical cut about 2 to 3 centimeters deep in the center of the cut banana stem. This cut will be the new home for our jackfruit bud. Section 5, the grafting process, a step-by-step guide. Now comes the exciting part, grafting. Take your chosen jackfruit bud and carefully make a slanted cut at the bottom. The cut should be about the same length as the cut you made on the banana stem. Gently insert the jackfruit bud into the cut on the banana stem. Make sure the cut surfaces of both the bud and the banana stem are touching. Section 6, nurturing the grafted bud, creating the ideal environment. To keep the graft secure, use string or grafting tape to wrap the area where the bud and the banana stem meet. This will prevent the bud from moving and help it to fuse with the banana stem. Place the grafted plant in a shady area, away from direct sunlight. Mist the plant with water regularly to keep it moist. Section 7, potting your grafted jackfruit, a coconut shell haven. While our graft is healing, let's prepare its new home. Take a clean coconut shell and make a few small holes at the bottom for drainage. Fill the coconut shell with a mixture of coconut husk, compost, and sand. This mixture provides good drainage and nutrients for the plant. After about 2 to 3 weeks, the jackfruit bud should start to sprout new leaves. This means the graft is successful. Now you can carefully plant the grafted banana stem into the prepared coconut shell. Section 8, caring for your young jackfruit tree. Watering and sunlight needs. Place your potted jackfruit plant in a bright area, but away from harsh sunlight. Water the plant regularly, making sure the soil stays moist, but not waterlogged. As your jackfruit tree grows, you can transplant it to a larger pot or directly into the ground. Remember to fertilize your jackfruit tree every few months to ensure healthy growth. With proper care and attention, your jackfruit tree will thrive and reward you with delicious fruits for years to come. Section 9, conclusion. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Congratulations! You've successfully grafted a jackfruit bud onto a banana tree. This simple yet effective method gives your jackfruit plant a strong start. Plus, it's a fun and rewarding experience for any gardening enthusiast. So why wait? Try this banana grafting hack and enjoy the sweet taste of homegrown jackfruit.